Okay everyone, so I'm gonna be doing my nails today. I already did my right hand and I really just wanted something short, clean, and simple. And I am using these soft gel clear nails that I got off of Amazon, and I just cut them short. And so these are the tools that I'm using that I all got from Shein. Got this from Shein for like $1.07. And then I use this where you put the polish here and then you press in to get the French tip look. I also got it from Shein for like $1 something. I also using a lamp light, LED light, I believe it is, that I got from Amazon, and it's just for like a one single use to put your nail under there. But then for when I do all my nails, I have this one that I got from Sally's years ago. It's so old. So that's what I'm gonna be using today. And I already have my nails sorted out to where they're gonna be going on this hand. And I already prepped my nails. And when I prepped, I pushed my cuticle back and cut my cuticles and filed the bed of the nail. So now I'm just going to put them on. And I'm using this 6-in-1 glue gel. So it only works with the clear tips. And these clear tips already come pre-filed, so that's a really good thing too. So also I got a whole bunch of gel polish under my nails and I don't know how to get it off because it's gel polish. So hopefully it'll just peel off later on. So anyway, so I'm gonna show you how I do that process. So I start with my pinky and I let my thumb be the last one that I do. So I put on a thin coat on my nail, and then on the back of the nail that I'm putting on, and then I'm going to scrape the excess at the tip. I'm gonna turn on my light, and then I'm going to start at the base, like under my cuticle, and then slide down, and then just place it under the light. And under the light, it only needs to be there for like 5 seconds and it's pretty much cured. But you wanna do it for an additional, I think 15 to 20 seconds to make sure it is fully cured. So I don't always put it on there for the whole entire duration with that the light is on, because I'm gonna go back and put my nails under the light when I am polishing them, because I'm using gel nails. And excuse my voice because I'm still kind of sick or getting re-sick. And then now I'm just gonna do the rest of my nails. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my tool to cut them short. Because like I said, I really just want them short because I do hair and I can't be functioning with no long nails. I see other people do it and I wish I knew how to, but I don't. So I'm cutting them pretty short because I'm hoping that they'll last a long time, and then it'll also give me room for when they grow out. Nice and short. And so this is the polish that I'm using. It's gel polish, only because the white polish that I have is already like dried out, and this, I had recently bought this, so I'm like, I might as well use it, and then it just gives an extra time for my nails to cure. So I was using this where it's like a squishy little thingy, and so when you put the polish on and you push your finger in, it gets a nice little tip. So this is nice and runny. And so what I've been doing is doing like a huge section so that I could do all my nails at once. And that's probably why I got a lot of polish on my skin too, is because the nails are short. But I don't know, we'll just figure that out later. And so it just goes like this. And I did way too much. So I might go back in and try to clean that up. So I'm just gonna take my, what do you call this, Q-tip, and try to wipe off the excess. And then I'm gonna go in by hand to clean up any of the loose ends here. And that's a good thing about gel polish, is that it's not gonna dry up and then it gives you time to like fix it. And then of course I got it on my fingertips again, but I ain't gonna worry about that. So I'm gonna sit it under here and I'm gonna do a duration of 2 times. So they're all cured, and now I'm gonna do the last step and do a clear top coat using the gel glue that I used before to glue the nails on. Now this will give like a sticky residue feeling afterwards, but you just take some alcohol and a cotton swab and rub it around a few times, and then it comes out smooth. And you see how quick and fast that was? Like, that's it. And I'm hoping that these last like 3 or 4 weeks. So I'm gonna definitely keep you updated and let you know how long they last. So if you wanna have this manicure right at home and save some money, save some time. Cause like, I like my nails done, but I absolutely hate going to get them done. So I've been pretty much doing them by myself at home since COVID, when everything shut down. I was getting all kind of stuff from Amazon. So I got dip powder. So if you want to see me do a video on dip powder, let me know. And thank you so much for watching. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Help me get to 100,000 subscribers so I can get my play button, because I've been doing this for too long to not have a play button. Also, if you are returning, thank you so much for your support. And I will catch you guys later. Stay tuned for pictures.